Hello guys. I will. So today gonna go repair my bike. Huh? What else did I do today? Oh, we did a fire drill. I didn't record it because I wasn't in the content mood. But today, repairing my bike. It's only been 2 weeks and I've already popped the tire.
You probably heard my name already. I'm Kyle.
This is Kyle. He's my advisor. He helps me. He takes care of me.
Not just Darren.
Not just me though, yeah. Not just me.
But if you guys ever come here, today you have to do a fire drill. It's pretty fun.
It's so fun. It's so fun.
Right?
It's so fun. Y'all better make it fun, alright? If y'all have a fire drill, just make it fun. Yeah? You think he's gonna catch up, Kyle? I think he's gonna catch up, dude. We're gonna be fighting in the rain, dude. I just feel it. It wouldn't be raining in Oarai, would it? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, Might? Oh man. Yeah, the clouds are pretty big too.
But it should hopefully close up by the time you guys go.
Yeah. Oh no. Alright, gonna start. Slowly just slurring my Japanese, Kyle. Oh no, I've noticed. Like, I've gotten a lot more comfortable just saying Japanese things.
Random Japanese?
Yeah, random Japanese things.
Most important part is
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna be sad, Kyle. I'm not gonna have anyone to talk to in Japanese other than Anthony and them. But oh man.
Yeah, no, there might be students that go.
Oh, yeah. I'll probably most likely talk to my teacher though too, as much as possible. But she sent me an email to go to another talent show to sing again. So I was like, okay, I'll do it.
To sing?
Yeah, last time I was singing Odoroyo Fish.
Right. Yeah.
So they're doing it again this year, and they wanted me to join.
When?
Huh? I don't know. She just said we're doing it this semester. If you would like to join, let me know. So I'll probably join. Don't know what song y'all sing. Maybe another old song. Oh no. Maybe, yeah. Odoriko?
I think people would like the
Huh? I don't. Wait. Who? Tsukiyaki?
Yeah.
No.
That's the English title.
I might know. I don't know. I don't think I know it by name. Yeah, I'll probably have to listen to it. No, never heard of it. Never heard of it. Yeah? Okay, you think I should do one of those old style storytelling? Or like, oh, blah, blah, blah. I don't know how to do it. Huh? Yeah, I met her for a little bit, just small bit.
That is not a police dog. Oh.
Huh? Oh, like.
Police dog.
Yeah. What? Is it like an actual dog in there? I think so. Like the canines? Yeah. Kyle, oh, what's up? You know anyone who fishes, Kyle? Anyone who could take me fishing?
Kuro.
Huh?
Kuro.
Kuro?
Yeah.
Who's that?
The Napolitan, Adhikari.
The what?
Adhikari, the Napolitan.
Yeah.
I think he says he goes fishing sometimes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I'll have to see. Oh, why is this so ominous, Kyle, huh? Why is the clouds out? What's happening? It's so ominous today, Kyle. I think we're gonna have a boss fight, dude.
Okay.
A boss fight? I think we gotta prep, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Dang, bro, that thunder is going crazy over there. Oh, okay. Oh no. Hoodie's up for me.
You want to grab an umbrella?
Huh?
You want to grab an umbrella at the Walmart?
Yeah, we can.
There's a salad mark in the house.
I don't want to carry it though. Yeah. You know, Kyle, let's just be soaked in water.
I haven't showered yet.
Yeah.
I was gonna go to the gym, but fuck me. I guess I'm waiting for the afternoon.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it just got crazy.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Really close.
That one, yeah, that one's super close, dude. I'm sorry if the GoPro gets wet. I can't do anything about it. You all just had to figure it out. Oh, that one was. Oh. You know, how the umbrella is not sounding too bad. You know? Holy frick, dude. Yeah. This is like almost typhoon weather, Kyle. It's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. This camera is done for. It's waterproof, I think. That's okay. Holy frick, dude. Oh no! I just realized. Oh, it's okay. I'll deal with it later, Kyle. My batteries are in my bag. Yeah, my extra GoPro bats. They're in my bag over here, and yeah, I'll figure it out later, Kyle. Okay. Oh, let me get under somewhere. Hold up. I like it. There. Oh, it's nice. I don't know if it's waterproof or not. I'll put it in the deeper pockets.
I'll put your phone and stuff in it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Either way. Oh shoot. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Calm down a little bit.
Huh?
Calm down a little bit.
Yeah, I think we're good. I'm chilling. Yeah, if it really gets like torrential, then yeah.
Hopefully the worst is done.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that. Huh? Yeah. Oh my goodness, there I am. So wet. I'm praying this is waterproof. Or if it's not, then I guess.
I mean, it's waterproof, but like.
Not. Yeah, I think it still get wet though. If it like gets super soaked. Do I have any? Oh my gosh, dude. Kyle, why is it here? Why is it here?
I mean, you can just buy it straight up.
These are acrylic though.
Oh.
Is it depends?
They have the
Where's
key, the
where's the keys?
They're probably down.
I want a Bochi key. Is it gone? Did they buy it out? Oh man. Well,
I'm gonna ask him.
it's okay, Kyle. It saved me money. It's they bought it all?
There's nothing there than this.
Dang, how dare they? I'll fight them, Kyle.
Yeah, hold on.
Dang, bro.
They probably find that Brooklyn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Annoying. But
Where is the... Is it here? Yeah. I don't know if this is the good one or the bad one. There's one of them that tastes like soap.
soap.
Yeah. Or Earl Grey I like, but there's a 7-Eleven one and then there's a Family Mart one. I don't know which one was better.
This is sugarless.
That's okay, that's okay.
That might taste more like soap.
Or maybe let's try something else. Yeah, we'll try the real most, whatever this one is. Wolf tea. What is it? Maybe some type of wheat.
Mugisha?
Huh?
Mugisha? Or Rooibos?
Rooibos.
I have no idea what.
Yeah, no clue. Okay. Dozo.
ありがとうございます。
It's pretty bad out there.
It got worse.
Yeah, I got worse, Kyle.
Oh, there. From the restaurant.
That thing? Orange people, the pirate treasure?
It's amazing, right?
What?
The kanji is pirate people, so pirate treasure.
Yeah. Oh, this is good. Really? Yeah. Hmm? Yeah. I'll suit up. I'll suit up. Suiting up. Well,
Work to work.
work to work, shit. Ah, shoot. Why? For real? Yeah. Okay. Not too bad, but still pretty bad. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You might not even give you a bad idea because once you want to wait for your bike, right? I'm not gonna grab it. I'm just going to wait for the winter.
Yeah. What was that?
It might not be a bad idea to, I know, if you want to come back. That's an option, right?
Oh yeah, later in the day? Yeah. I might do that too.
Or you can do it on my place.
Yeah. It's gonna sell my bike, Kyle.
Yeah.
Yeah. What the heck? Yeah. Break. Vacation.
Construction.
Middle. Break.
Yeah.
So yasu.
Okay. Yes. But like, what's the Chinese reading for it?
The what?
You know the Chinese reading for it?
Chinese reading for yasu?
Yeah, like Yasumi. Yeah.
Yasumi?
Yasumi.
Ah, shoot. Yasumi. It's not. No, it's not. It's not she. I don't know.
It's the same as if you say 9 in Japanese.
9? Q?
Q.
Q? Q? So Q. Q. Wait, and then what's the next one? Oh, Kyuko.
Kyuko.
Kyuko Chu.
Yeah.
Kyuko Chu.
Kyuko.
Ah, okay, okay.
Kyuko.
Kyuko Chu. Yeah? Yeah, okay. I swear, Kyle, if they're closed,
How many kids? They're open.
I'm just gonna leave it at your house, dude, if it's closed. Up. Hey. Yeah. That must have been far. Yeah. I got a frog now. Oh, that was good. Oh, for reals? Yeah, it's like super slick now. Yeah. This is a cram school, Kyle?
So,
Yeah? Yeah.
The road looks like a menace.
Yeah.
Look at them, just like, exactly a menace.
Here we are. Oh.
You said it was the stones, right? Rocks?
Yeah.
砂利道に乗ってそうなりました。
It's either the rock or when I crashed it like made it weak. I didn't or when I got on the rock. Hopefully it's just one puncture.
はい。
割れちゃったんだろうこれ段差のとこに
はい。
思いっきりね乗り上げたから割れちゃったの
チューブが。
チューブが
It's split.
Hmm?
It's split.
Oh no.
あれなんかやっぱどうすっかな
Could have been when you crashed, when you hit the pole.
Yeah, too much pressure and just
Yeah.
and
then
it didn't
rocks
as I
got
went
raised.
rocks just yeah.
I think it was. He didn't say it got punctured. He said
Yeah.
it's split.
So
So. One time when I was moving my bike, I accidentally pulled the thing off.
Yeah.
And the tires were full. I was like, oh, what did I do?
I need to buy a pump because the pump we have at the dorms they
You
are.
can probably buy one here.
Oh yeah, I'll buy one here. I'll buy one for the dorm.
For the door.
For the dorm. I'll leave it for the dorm.
You guys are doing so much of the dorm. Too much of the dorm. Anthony's like, yeah, I'm buying two. Like, for what? It's like, for the dorm. I'm like, what? It's like too much money.
It's just the USDN now, right?
That's true, that's true.
It's 1.5 now.
It's terrible.
That's crazy.
It's so bad.
よし、はい、でさ、
はい
あ
OK です
ありがとうございます。
すみません、ありがとうございました。
はい、ありがとうございました。
多分ちょっとポールにぶつかって多分それで多分割れたかもしれないんですが、
あ
はい
衝撃で穴開いちゃったんだ。
そうですね。
うん
よし、ショック。はい。
はい、そうね、
いくらですか？
手土産になるんだ。
はい。じゃああとは彼もポンプも買いたいんですので、
ポンプ？
はい。自転車もはい。1200 for the so cheap.
For reals? Dang, okay.
Well,
Huh?
I guess it was the same too.
Yeah.
ね、 こういうやつのが早いの早いんだわ、入るのは。これ。
ああ、これで早めに。
これ早めに行く。
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
you can
Really
pump
quick.
quickly.
これはこれ1980円。
Okay, okay, okay. じゃあ、
これで OK？
はい。
3100円。
3100円。
いや、1200円で、いや3000円で負けとく。お兄ちゃんの紹介だから負けとく。
ああ、
3000円でいい。
3000円で大丈夫ですか？
いいよいいよいいよ、負けとく。いいよ、負けとくから。はい。
大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫。はい。
なんか
いいんだよ。
あいい
ね。
普通の値段でも
1980円の1200円なんだけど、
はい
だから1020円もらってちょうど3000円。
そう大丈夫？
大丈夫。
3200円じゃなくて
いいの、3000円でいい。
じゃあ
あー、okay, okay.
負け、お兄ちゃんの紹介
繊細
だから。
はい
がいいよ。
あ
多分もうそろそろ自分の自転車のメンテはもう少しね。
持つね。
はい。3000円。
ー、いや、
はい、はい、ありがとう。
はい、本当にありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。はい。
やり方はこれをこう取って
はい。
ね、こう取ったらこう取ってね、
あー、
から
あー、okay, okay, okay.
で友達のバルブでベー式バルブってあった時には、
はい
ここで直接入れちゃう。
ああ、はいはいはいはい。
これ何でも使えるんだ。はい。
はい。
Yeah, you have to have it down when you pump. Otherwise, if it's up, it's just gonna it's not gonna go in.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. But
okay, okay.
test these out, see which one works. You can also remove this as well.
Yeah. あー、okay, okay, okay.
はい。
はい、ありがとうございます。
でもね、
すみません、なんか彼はなんかリュックを今持ってなくて、
はいよ。
袋とかありますか？
黒ね。黒は。
あ、それしかですね。
はい
はい
はい。
すみません、本当にありがとうございました。
はい、ありがとうございました。
はい、まだね。
はい。
はい、お願いします。
Oh,
With this,
all right. What's the
the way back.
best way to carry this off? Having a bike. Just have it in there.
Do this. It's probably gonna like jump around.
Yeah.
So maybe I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
So depending on any bumps you hit, it's gonna like jump around. So just be careful. Yeah, but feel the front.
Oh. Oh, it's good. Oh, my bike is back. This thing is bent like heck. Yeah. Whoa, I'm about to crash already. Hold on. Okay, there we go. I'm about to pop my tire again, Kyle. That's crazy. Huh? Oh, I slipped. Huh? Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back this way. My place is over there.
Yeah.
So probably for the first time on my course, I'll just let you know again.
Yeah.
I would say keep left
Keep left?
because well, not only keep the scratch laws, but the right side here.
Yeah.
Kind of annoying to the right hand.
Yeah.
As much as possible, try to be on the road. It's less bumpy. Once you pass the family mart, there's that bridge.
Cross
As soon as you cross the bridge, there's the street's gonna keep going straight, but there's gonna be a split that goes to the right. There's gonna be a sign that has it looks like like in Yori, the first
Yori?
part of Yori.
Yori.
It means village.
Yeah.
Right? But there's a sign. The street's gonna go straight, but there's a thing that goes this way.
It goes that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go into there. That's where we came out of.
Yeah.
When we stopped to put your GoPro batteries.
Oh, yeah.
And then just take that street all the way straight without turning,
Mhm.
and you'll go. It'll take you right to the train tracks.
Oh, then I'll just, go back. Okay. Okay,
Amen.
Kyle.
Gracias.
Yeah, thank you, Kyle. Appreciate it. Yeah, take care. Yeah, thank you. Alrighty, we have left the nest. Biking in the rain. What a fun thing to do. There's a pedestrian crossing? Why the heck? Hey, Family Mart. I gotta go to a small thingy on the right. Ah, shoot, bro. Alright, somewhere here I need to turn. I'll say somewhere here I have to turn. Remember this? Is it here? Don't remember crossing here or at the bridge. Is something here? Is it here? I forgot. Oh god, I'm lost. We're Google Mapsing. Go behind me. Good job, good job. Oh, because we went up. We went up that giant thing. That's right. Frick. Sorry, I don't know this area. Oh, you guys probably have the worst view. Last time I had to prep my camera to be a good view. So now, probably not the best view. Yeah. Did we pass by here? Where the heck am I? I'm lost, bro. Oh, there we go. We keep going straight. This way. Okay, not straight this way. Oh, that's where we stopped. Okay, I remember. I am going like this. How did I not? How did I? Across the street here. I believe it's this way, right? Straight this way. Okay. There's a pothole. Oh no. Let this car pass. Oh, I remember this. Woo! Roaring thunder. Holy frick, bro. Wait, the brakes are wet, dude. It's not cool. Everything tracks. Yes. Oh yeah. The trains. Oh. Oh. Both brakes, bro. だいま。
じゃあね、また。はい。
はい。Okay, I made it back to my room. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh, hope you guys can see. I'm tired, I'm wet, I'm cold. Thankfully my bike got fixed. Alright, take care. See you later.